When you're in Fusion, you might have noticed that when you select a sketch, it's going to reorient you and look directly at that face that you selected, and it's going to do a couple other things when it orients the model. Mine just looked at this face when I selected it. What's happening is look at is being activated when you start a sketch. Now the question came up, what if you're working away from the origin on your model? So over here, I have a second body and I want to start a sketch on it. So I select the face and create sketch. The bummer is it jumps over here. And this is away from what I wanted to work on, which was over here. What's happening is look at is being activated, and look at always considers the origin. When I toggle my origin on and off, you can see that it's here. And so this is by default how it's going to work. I, of course, can reorient the model. I can pan over and now start sketching and create what I want. Go up to your preferences, go to design, and go to auto look at sketch. And we're going to turn that off. Now with auto look at sketch turned off, when I select this face and do create sketch, it will just stay where I'm located. The challenge with this is when you're not looking directly at it or normal to your design or to your model, it can be less convenient. So if I start a brand new sketch on this face, it's not going to reorient anything. It's simply going to just let me start sketching on this face, but at an angle. Of course, if I select this face and choose look at manually, that will work. So I can do look at and it'll look straight at that face. If you want to look directly at things, the best workaround I think I can find for you is either simply select the face that aligns with what you want. You can use look at down below in this dialog, so it'll look straight at it, but it is going to take into account the origin and you put that in view, so you then can pan over and look at what you care about. That's probably the best workaround I can come up with, along with turning off that auto look at so that you aren't always jumping away from your view to consider the origin. I hope that helps. I'll see you guys in the next video.